Scorpio. This is your channel messages for the 1st of July. Scorpio, it is Canada Day, Scorpio. So I just want you to know that if there's anything you will sacrifice yourself for, it should be Canada. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. Your channel cards are the 2 of Pentacles, Venus, the 4 of Cups, and healthy choices. So I'm getting you're choosing yourself first. You're showing, people will say that, if you took your own horn, that means you're not confident. But I'm sure you're confident blowing your motherfucking you fucking, what that name? I don't drive. Beep, beep. I'm pretty sure you're confident blowing that or blowing off that when you think you're in the right. Talking about don't give yourself, don't took your own horn, okay? You wait for somebody to give you your clap. That's why you should know if your child is somebody who clap for themselves, your child is at the most potent stage of building their confidence. Yeah, you shouldn't talk about yourself, it means you're insecure. Okay, you're gonna wait on a bitch for talk about you. You're gonna wait on somebody to tell you your story. You make sure you're your first fan. You should be your first fan. Don't give yourself flowers. Miley Cyrus gave herself fucking flowers and she won a fucking Grammy for it. As a matter of fact, if you Google Miley Cyrus, she come up with her flowers. Yeah, don't give yourself too much flowers. Yeah, it seems insecure. This is the best way to spot an insecure person, says the bitch in blood clots, Botox fillers, makeup, and fucking lashes. You know how to tell that someone's not confident? Why? Because them can't wash them face and go up on the road? No, because someone keeps talking about themselves. Okay, well, on the fucking Kelly Clarkson show, she's seeing all our opening for the same fucking show every day. So I don't hear anybody saying that Kelly Clarkson, we get it. We know. Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk. We get it. Since you've been gone. We get it, Kelly. You don't have to be singing on your show every day. We know who you are. I don't hear anybody telling Kelly Clarkson to tone it down. You can't handle my motherfucking mouth. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So I'm getting something about healthy choices. I'm getting choosing yourself first. People might be like you're boasted. Okay, I'd rather you're boasted than you're fucking insecure. I didn't say you were a KKK member. I say you're confident. What the song, the fucking advertisement with Jennifer Aniston, and he said, "But and she said, "Yeah, no, you're the best person." My mom says that to me. I love your confidence. What do you mean you love him confidence? You mean because he must die in a cancer, you expect him confidence to be low? I love your confidence. Don't you love yours? Because I would assume high confidence would meet each other with high confidence. It wouldn't meet each other by telling me that I'm confident. You don't think I know I'm confident? You think the fucking Canadian government would do shit for me if I wasn't? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, let's go. We have the 4 of Pentacles coming out first. So the 4 of Pentacles is holding back, okay? It could be hoarding. We have the Hangman. Me getting you don't want to spend no money. You don't want to say anything until you figure out every part, every detail of the situation. Me getting, this could be somebody who is a confident introvert. Because usually extroverted people confident. Or you have extroverted people who are not confident, so them walk around in groups. We're getting somebody introverted and I'm very confident. Now, everybody have so-called insecurities, but for example, an introverted, confident person would be like Billie Eilish. She introverted, but she confident. You ever hear she talk about losing weight? No. The Weeknd, I'm very confident, but I'm introverted. Baby, I would die for me, like I die for you, every night with you. Sort of crazy on the day when you still die for me, like I die for you. Oh, but hear another song. Dun dun, totally killing and she knows I am. He only doing, she only doing what she knows. She only doing what she knows. You don't know any better, Canada. fucking demonizing her because of what she's doing. And then in Canada, she only doing what she knows. Let's go ahead and continue reading. We have the Page of Swords. We have the Moon card. And we also have the Page of Cups. Okay, I'm getting online, a lot of online lurking between the hours of 12 to about 5 a.m. I'm getting something about a marathon. You're watching a marathon of something. I'm getting your confidence come out in the night. So maybe you're a night person. You feel more confident in the night. Why? Because it's dark and nobody can see your face. It's giving depression. I'm getting in a daylight, you lock up. Lock up in your house, not doing anything. But I'm getting as soon as nighttime come, you feel more confident. And no, this could be you doing witchcraft and you feel like you're more attractive in the night. Sounds like a warlock. The Four of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Cups. So the Page of Cups twice. Unless you're a twin and you're switching in the day, this one show up in the night, this one show up. You're getting you hide the secret. I'm getting one of them slimmer than the other. I'm getting one of them nose is different. One of them nose is very straight. The other nose not as straight. I don't know if this is before and after photos I'm looking at. I'm getting a saying in the when you wake up, you look like a different person than when you go to bed. Like I saying, your face changed throughout the day. We have the Queen of Swords. We have the Two of Pentacles, we have the Four of Swords, and we also have the Ten of Wands. I'm getting a saying you're stuck somewhere. What is this? Was somebody supposed to go to somewhere with your ID and pretend to be you? Come getting them use your ID, them there, and know them need to leave, and somebody's like, I can't leave. You can't leave base. You can't leave here. And that's how it go. I'm getting you need to get back to your life. Or you need to get back to here. But this person can't. I'm getting they cannot switch back. No, this could also be something about the person was caught as an imposter. I'm getting you can't reach them. Him just get catch and him can't call you. I don't know what the fuck this is, man. Someone's in some deep shit. Scorpio. There's something about a spot. You hear the thing in my closet? Hi. Are you coming out for Canada Day? You're scared the shit out of me. This is what I live with, Canada. I want you to know. I live with a ghost. You hear it? Anyways, it never used to do it on camera. He used to do it in the nights only. It's okay. Do what you want to do. You live here just as much as me. We have Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. We have Mars. We have Leo. We have Scorpio. Yeah, we're doing Scorpio's reading. So something about a dead body, a dead person, or the ghost of a Leo. We have CIA, and we also have Neptune. It could be something about your closet, something about your closet. Because that's the only soul that keep a reoccur is my closet door. Something in the closet, I'm getting check the closet. I don't know if this is the floor of the closet or above the closet. I'm getting something in the closet. I probably need to check mine. Wait till tomorrow, ghost. I can't bother to check up on Canada Day. This is too much stress. I'm going to leave it here. Hello? Until next time, bye.